perfect day at CocoCay. We just came off the Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas. Today I'm going to share with you what to expect on the island, when is the best time to visit Bahamas, what to avoid or look out for when you're in the water at CocoCay. You will be surprised, and you don't want this to happen to you like what happened to me. So be sure to look to the end of the video, like and subscribe, and encourage me with the comments. This is Chill Island. It's very free, so you just relax and take it easy. Then we have Thrill Island for the Daredevils. So if you're looking for thrill, you have the Daredevil's Peak. It's a water slide standing at 135 feet tall. So you can go and enjoy. I am going in the water. It's really, really hot here. Beautiful CocoCay. Perfect day at CocoCay. The beach area. One of the things you need to know about CocoCay is that it's full with jellyfish all over the world. So if you're very sensitive to mosquitoes, those things, you may want to be careful. My skin was really... Other than that, you're fine. Bump into the rock. You want to take a picture? Okay, wait. I got to take a picture. Picture time. Alright, so the background. Guys, the best time to visit CocoCay, it's typically the spring or fall months. We went summertime and it's ridiculously hot. Just a note, CocoCay is a year-round activity, and Royal Caribbean has cruises year-round to the island. Okay.
Especially in saltwater.
Ready? Okay. Sunshine, and the next sunshine there. You ready, Josh? Come. Okay. Okay, swim. I'll put a camera on the water. Swim. Yeah. How much I spent? Okay.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, let's embark on an unforgettable journey with the Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, the Oasis of the Seas, the picturesque paradise of CocoCay. Nestled amidst the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas, CocoCay is a haven for travelers seeking sun-soaked beaches, thrilling adventures, and unparalleled relaxation. Whether you're a thrill seeker craving heart-pounding water sports or a laid-back explorer yearning for secluded shores, CocoCay offers something for everyone. Oh. The food is free in CocoCay. You can eat anything from the barbecue buffets to the hot dog to the tacos. Anything you want, you can have there. So enjoy lots of food. You could go as many times as possible as you want. You could swim, go back, eat, swim, go back, eat. And you know what? The same crew members from the ship come on the island and serve you. And you'll be amazed to see how quickly they do things and clean up and set up everything quickly, on time. If you want to see efficiency, go to the cruise lines and you will learn efficiency there. And then after that, you may want some, what else they have? They have veggies. If you're vegetarian, they have veggies, everything you want. You love meat, they have. You don't want hot dog, you have sandwiches. Everything, every single thing is a salad bar, everything. And hot dogs. I just got some fries, some veggies, and a taco. See how it's good? Love it. And of course, you must have some ice cream to go with your food to cool you down. Family, please like and subscribe to my channel just to encourage me. I had a grand time at CocoCay and I promised I will bring great content to you as I learn and explore on this new adventure. So see you in the next video.